Hi, this is your Houston chiropractor, Dr. Gregory Johnson, and we have Gail here with us this afternoon. And Gail, this is her second visit. She came in here with some pretty significant low back pain and sacral pain and pain down into her leg and her groin area. She also had neck pain and stiffness and headaches and right hip pain. And that flank pain you were having down here, has that been better too?
It's better, yeah.
Good.
It's just the shoulder.
So you've had one treatment here so far. How did you do after your very first treatment?
I could walk and stand up straight.
Yeah.
I was amazed.
And sleep better?
Yeah. I've had 25 visits, 3 different chiropractors, and I could walk after one visit.
Great. Thank you. Okay, let's have you check your posture here first. I'm going to have you flex your head forward and backwards. We got the electricity back on here now. So we're doing the full service Johnson technique now, back to neutral, which is a culmination of Palmer package, Thompson, Gonstead, BioPhysics, Johnson. When you've been in practice for over 35 years like I have, you develop your own techniques and your own skill level with the adjusting. And adjusting is an art. And just like natural athletes, some people are better at it than others. I'll let y'all decide for yourself on that. But Gail can tell you what she's experienced. So Gail, let's go ahead and have you over here first today. We're going to lay you on your back with your pelvis there. You've been to how many other chiropractors?
3.
3 other ones, and had over 25 visits?
That last one, where she did the twist,
Yeah.
it hurt me. I'm like, I'm done.
See, that's Gail's one of those people that I talk about all the time, where when she got twisted on her side, it actually hurt her more, right?
Yeah. I left in more pain.
She left in more pain than when she went in. So you notice that we don't do that twisting side posture move a lot, just because it causes ligamentous instability. And some of you have asked how you can treat ligamentous instability. The only way to really treat that is over time. It's called remodeling, and that's where the tissues line up along the areas of stress and strain being put on them. Okay, nice deep breath. Oh yeah. Oh, felt that all the way down, didn't you?
Yeah.
Good girl. Yeah, you're still kicking. Good. And we don't do that just to show the patient is still alive or not paralyzed. We just do it for fun. There we go. Yeah. Drop it. That a girl. Good job. It's good old Palmer diversified cervical rotary brake. Works every time. That's my favorite adjustment. To have that on me as well.
Better.
Yeah.
Every time you do that.
Yeah. Imagine that. Okay, let's come over here on your tummy now. You know, everybody else in this whole building left today and the electricity went out except us. That's probably why you came in the building. There's nobody here, huh? Except us. Yep. Okay. I'm adjusting her left side first, then her right one. There's sacrum right in the center. Straight superior to inferior. Now L5, you're going straight P to A on the Z axis. There's L4. Yep. So the ligamentous instability, if you have that from getting twisted on your side too much and you got to feel like you got to pop your back all the time, that is ligamentous instability. The only way that you can get rid of that is to get adjusted where you're not stretching the ligaments beyond their normal range of motion. Ligaments actually is what holds the joint together. It holds bone to bone. So it makes up the joint range of motion And the maximum joint range of motion is what we do in chiropractic. It's called the adjustment. It gets into the paraphysiological space, and that's where you hear the popping noise, which is a nitrous gas bubble inside the synovial joints. It's a byproduct of the synovial fluid letting off gas in the joint. There we go. Okay. And I'm going to reach up this. The legs are even now. Does that hurt your back at all?
No.
Great. Okay, you're going to feel your head popping up a little bit here. One way. Slide down this way just a little bit. There you go. Nope, you got to come down a little bit more. There you go. That's what I want. There we go. Okay, let's turn you on your back now. There we go. We'll slide down this way just a tiny bit. There we are. Yes, ma'am. Good. Now, just put your arms straight out to the sides, palms up for me. I'm adjusting her shoulders now, her clavicles, and her sternoclavicular joint here, as well as the anterior costosternal joints. Had somebody request an appointment, said he had a completely dislocated clavicle. If you have a completely dislocated joint of any kind, you need to go to the ER or to an orthopedic surgeon to get that fixed. Okay, relax your arms on your tummy. But if you think it's just misaligned, we can help you with that. Total dislocation is called a luxation. There we go. Boy, that was a good one. Okay, let's hit you up face forward, Joseph, there now. There we go. All right, Gil. Yes, ma'am. You've been all cooperative this afternoon. Rainy day and all. There we go. Did you guys lose your electricity earlier? No?
Just got stuck in
Yeah.
traffic.
That's always in Houston. Yeah.
That's great.
There we go. There we go. Okay, now stand you up here in front of the mirror again. We're going to have you flex your head forward and then backwards. Yep, take a look. See, you're still a little bit right. You see that? So pull these up and back.
Okay.
Flare these guys way back here.
Okay.
And then we're going to bring your head straight back. Yours is to the right, see? So we're going to go left. Now extend all the way back to look at the wall behind you.
Okay.
Okay, spread your feet a little further apart, and that way you'll get better stance. Okay, you'll get this one here. That's all right. I haven't lost patience on the floor yet. I won't start with you. Okay, relax. Now, try doing that forward and backwards again. Tell me if this feels any smoother to you.
Yeah.
Back to neutral. Yeah, see, your hands are at your sides now as opposed to being way out here in front of you.
Okay.
That's where they should be. Your shoulders are more squared off. Your head's up and over, your posture more. So see, when gravity's pulling down, your joints are holding you up rather than your muscles and your disc and your overstressing your spine. So, is this something you would recommend other people do, Gail?
I would definitely recommend Dr. Johnson.
Thank you very much.
Thank
Appreciate you sharing your experience with everyone. This is your Houston chiropractor, Dr. Gregory Johnson, and Gail's coming to you from Advanced Chiropractic Relief in Houston, Texas. We'll see y'all soon.